Hi guys, it's Mrs. Evans. I miss everyone so much, especially my third graders at Worthington Hills. This is the best we're going to do to get to see each other for the next couple weeks. So I have a really cool book. It's called What Do You Do with a Problem? It was actually given to me by our old school counselor way out in California, and his name is Kobe. He's the author. He has written a couple other books along with this one, What Do You Do with an Idea? That's a really good one too. But I thought this one was a great one to do now since we have a little bit of a problem in the world. But it's what you do with those problems that what's really matters to you and your family and everyone else in the United States right now. So we're going to see how this connects to our real life. I also love these pictures because they're sketches and they're black and white, but they have so much detail in them too. So check it out. What do you do with a problem? I don't know how it happened, but one day I had a problem. I didn't want it. I surely didn't ask for it. And I really didn't like having a problem, but it was there. Now, over here's his big problem he's got. Kind of small right now. But now look at it, it's getting a little bit bigger. Why is it here? What does it want? What do you do with a problem, I thought. I wanted to make it go away. I shooed it. I scowled at it. I tried ignoring it, but nothing worked. Oh boy. I started to worry about my problem. What if it swallows me up? It's kind of how I feel sometimes when I start thinking more and more about my problems. It gets bigger and bigger. What if my problem sneaks up and gets me? What if it takes away all of my things? Oh, he's so sad. I worried a lot. I worried about what would happen. I worried about what could happen. And I also worried about that. And the more I worried, the bigger my problem became. I wished it would just disappear. I tried everything. I could hide from it. I even found ways to disguise myself. But it still found me. There he is. And it looks like a big bear's right next to him trying to get him. And the more I avoided my problem, the more I saw it everywhere. I thought about it all the time. I did not feel good at all. I couldn't take it anymore. This has got to stop, I declared. Maybe I was making my problem bigger and scarier than it actually was. After all, my problem really hadn't swallowed me up or attacked me. I realized that I had to face it. So even though I didn't want to, even though I was really afraid, and I tackled it, and I was ready to go. When I got face to face with it, I discovered something. My problem wasn't what I thought it was. I discovered it had something beautiful inside. My problem had an opportunity. It was an opportunity for me to learn and grow, to be brave, to do something. It showed me that it was important to look closely because some opportunities only come once. There's that big bear that was kind of scary in the beginning. Now it kind of looks like they're working together. So now I see problems differently. I'm not afraid of them anymore because I know their secret. Every problem has an opportunity for something good. You just have to look for it. And there they go. And so this book is really meaningful to me because we have a huge problem in the world today, but we have so many people who are fighting and fighting that big problem and trying to look for opportunities to make good out of what we have right now. So hopefully most of you guys are at home being with your family, and maybe, just maybe, that opportunity that you guys are looking for is right in front of you, and having that family time. Maybe your sports schedule has been so crazy lately that the opportunity to just be with your family is now. So take advantage of it. And whenever you have a problem, I know it's hard to think about it, but try to see, what could I find out of this problem and make it better? What could I find out of this problem and change for the good and help somebody? And that's what everyone's doing for all of you at Worthington Hills. We're helping you every single day, and our leaders in our country are helping us, and our problem's going to go away pretty soon, hopefully sooner than later. All right, that's all for now. See you later. Goodbye. Make sure you get some sunshine soon.